In sports, we're on track with athletics. The world is still reeling from Jamaican sprint star Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce's world-leading 10.63 seconds for the 100 meters at the Olympic Destiny meet in Kingston. With this run, Fraser-Pryce is now the fastest woman alive and the second fastest in history. This performance was the capstone for an overall impressive meet. Melvin Pennant gives us the details.
Awesome. That's how Jamaica Olympic Association Director Robert Scott described last Saturday's Olympic Destiny meet.
Truly awesome day. I am extremely pleased. We saw world-class performance. We saw athletes getting funding that will help them to do really well as they go forward. We could not have asked for a better day.
It was a day of credible performances both on and off track. Genevieve Russell ran within range of her season's best to stop the clock at 54.88 in the women's 400-meter hurdles. Current world long jump champion Tajay Gale was also on display, but this was the performance from the pocket rocket Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce that set the meet and the world of athletics ablaze.
Natasha Morrison trying to chase Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce away and clear. Look at that!
Sprinter Sherika Jackson and Yannick Thompson were among the athletes that received cash funding. These series of meets are designed to prepare Jamaica's team to the Tokyo Olympics. The national team will be stationed at a training camp in Tottori, Japan.
The training camp in Tottori, Japan will be set just a few weeks before the actual Olympics itself, and it will be able to allow our athletes to get that very fine edge that they need. Certainly the partnership between Tottori and Jamaica has extended for some period of time, and with the continued support of the Jamaica Olympic Association and our partners in Tottori, we're looking for even better performances in this Olympics.
Melvin Pennant, PBCJ News.